Welcome to Computer Code Thought channel. Today's topic: computer input devices versus output devices. The three differences between input devices and output devices. Input devices. The devices which are used to give input to the computer is called input devices. Output devices. The devices which are used to display the output is called output devices. Input devices. It accepts data from the user. Output devices. Display processed data to user. Input devices. The input device is controlled by the user. Output devices. The output device is controlled by the computer, especially the CPU. Input devices. Its design is more complex. Output devices. As compared to input devices, its design is less complex. Input devices. Example: keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, touchpad, microphone, OCR. Output devices. Example: speakers, printer, monitor, projector, headphones, webcam, GPS. Like, share, subscribe Computer Code Thought channel. Click the bell icon. Thank you.